In this video, today we will talk about how to earn money from YouTube. YouTube is a powerful platform that offers numerous opportunities for content creators to earn money. With billions of users worldwide, YouTube provides a unique chance to reach a vast audience and monetize content in various ways. Whether you're a budding vlogger, an experienced filmmaker, or someone with a unique talent or expertise, here are several strategies to help you earn money from YouTube. 1. Ad revenue. Ad revenue forms the backbone of monetization for many content creators on platforms like YouTube. The revenue is generated through the display of advertisements before, during, or after a video. These ads can take various forms, including pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads, or display ads. Creators earn revenue based on metrics such as ad impressions, clicks, or views. The amount earned per ad can vary widely based on factors such as the advertiser's budget, the ad's relevance to the audience, and the viewer's engagement with the ad. YouTube employs algorithms to match ads with suitable content, aiming to provide a positive experience for both viewers and advertisers. 2. Channel memberships. Channel memberships offer creators a way to monetize their content directly through subscriptions from viewers. Viewers can become channel members by paying a monthly fee, gaining access to exclusive perks and content in return. These perks can include custom badges, emojis, exclusive live streams, behind-the-scenes footage, or members-only community posts. Channel memberships are particularly popular among creators with dedicated fan bases who are willing to support them financially in exchange for extra benefits and closer interaction. By offering unique and valuable perks to members, creators can foster a sense of community and loyalty among their audience while providing a stable and predictable source of income independent of fluctuating ad revenue. 3. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Super Chat and Super Stickers are features that enhance viewer engagement during live streams and premieres on YouTube. Viewers can purchase these digital goods to highlight their messages or express themselves with animated stickers, with their contributions displayed prominently in the chat window. Super Chats are messages that are pinned to the top of the chat for a set period, allowing viewers to stand out and catch the creator's attention during live streams. Super Stickers, on the other hand, are animated images that viewers can purchase to convey emotions or support the creator. 4. Merchandise Shelf. The Merchandise Shelf is a feature on YouTube that enables creators to showcase and sell their branded merchandise directly to their audience. Creators can link their merchandise store to their YouTube channel, allowing viewers to browse and purchase items like clothing, accessories, or other branded products without leaving the platform. The merchandise shelf integrates seamlessly with the YouTube interface, appearing below videos and on the channel homepage, making it easy for viewers to discover and support their favorite creators. By leveraging the merchandise shelf, creators can diversify their revenue streams beyond advertising and membership fees while strengthening their brand identity and forging deeper connections with their audience. 5. Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based monetization strategy where creators earn a commission for promoting products or services and driving sales through affiliate links. Creators partner with companies or affiliate networks and receive a unique tracking link that they incorporate in their content, such as product reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. When viewers click on these affiliate links and make a purchase, the creator earns a percentage of the sale as a commission. Affiliate marketing allows creators to monetize their content by leveraging their influence and expertise to recommend products that are relevant to their audience. Success in affiliate marketing requires creators to choose products or services that align with their brand and audience interests, ensuring authenticity and trustworthiness in their recommendations. 6. Sponsored Videos. Sponsored videos are a form of influencer marketing where creators collaborate with brands to promote their products or services to their audience. In sponsored videos, creators integrate the brand's messaging or products into their content in a seamless and authentic way. These collaborations can take various forms, such as product reviews, tutorials, sponsored challenges, or branded content. Creators typically disclose sponsored partnerships transparently to maintain trust with their audience. Sponsored videos offer creators an additional source of income beyond traditional monetization methods like ad revenue or memberships. 7. YouTube Premium Revenue. YouTube Premium is a subscription-based service that offers ad-free viewing, offline playback, and access to YouTube Music Premium. Subscribers pay a monthly fee for these premium features, and a portion of this revenue is distributed to creators based on factors such as watch time and engagement from premium viewers. Creators earn a share of the revenue through the YouTube Partner Program, which rewards them for creating quality content that attracts and retains premium subscribers. YouTube Premium Revenue provides creators with an additional stream of income, complementing other monetization methods like ad revenue and channel memberships. 8. Fan Funding. Fan funding, also known as fan donations or tips, allows viewers to support their favorite creators directly through monetary contributions. Platforms like Patreon, Ko-fi, or PayPal enable creators to receive donations from fans as a form of appreciation for their content. Creators may offer perks or rewards to donors, such as exclusive content, shoutouts, or behind-the-scenes access. Fan funding provides creators with a reliable source of income, especially for those who produce niche or specialized content that may not attract large advertiser budgets. 9. Digital products and courses. Creators can monetize their expertise and knowledge by creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or digital downloads. These digital products offer value to viewers seeking to learn new skills or gain insights in specific areas of interest. Creators can leverage their expertise and unique perspective to develop high-quality educational content that meets the needs of their audience. Selling digital products allows creators to diversify their revenue streams beyond advertising or sponsorship deals, providing a scalable and passive income source. By promoting their digital products through their content and leveraging platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Udemy, creators can monetize their expertise while empowering their audience to learn and grow. 10. Crowdfunding projects. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or Patreon enable creators to raise funds for creative projects or ongoing content production directly from their audience. Creators can launch crowdfunding campaigns to finance projects such as film productions, art installations, album releases, or web series. Crowdfunding provides creators with the opportunity to engage their audience in the creative process, offering backers exclusive rewards or early access to content in exchange for their support. Successful crowdfunding campaigns require creators to set clear goals, communicate their vision effectively, and offer compelling incentives to attract backers. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.